Hello there, welcome to another video by RA Solutions. In this one, this is a two-part series. In this one, actually, I might take this to a third part or a fourth part, but this is part 2 of the Excel basics, formatting a spreadsheet this time. In the previous video, we were creating a basic spreadsheet based on products sold in a shop, working out the totals based on the quantities. Now what we're going to do is format that spreadsheet to make it look professional. Let's open up our Excel spreadsheet. Okay, this is the spreadsheet we worked on last time. This is a 4-column spreadsheet with product number sold, cost per item, total sold. We looked at figuring out how to do currencies, how to do a formula in this column, and how to work out or add up the total revenue here using the sum function. Okay, so sorry, not the sum function, the auto sum function I should say, which automatically adds up all these numbers here. The auto sum function can be found here at the top right hand corner of the home tab. So to format a spreadsheet, first and foremost, our spreadsheet needs a title. To add a title, we need to add some more rows on top of this table. To add a new row, click on the first row. So you need to click on the number, left click, then right click, insert. That will add a new row. We're going to add a few more rows to give you a bit of space between the title and the table itself. One more and one more. Okay, so now what we're going to do is add a title for my spreadsheet. So I'm going to call this shop spreadsheet. Okay, so what we're going to do now is this shop spreadsheet title, we're going to put this in the middle. Okay, so we're going to highlight all 4 columns here, 4 cells, the 4 columns here, and then we're going to go to a tool or feature called merge and center. You can find merge and center by going to the home tab at the top ribbon, alignment style here, and then choose merge and center. What it will do, it will merge all these 4 cells together to form one big cell, which means shop spreadsheet will be right bang center in the middle of that cell. You want to make that title bigger. To make that title bigger, you can change the size of the text, this number here, sorry I should say, to a bigger number, or these 2 A's here. Click on the A with the arrow pointing above to make the text bigger, or the A with the arrow pointing downwards to make the text smaller. We want to make the text bigger because it's a title. We want to make it bold. Choose a different color, maybe click on the A with the color underneath. We might choose a different pastel color just to make it that bit. There we go, shop spreadsheet. Now what we're going to do very quickly is highlight the column headings, make those bold, and then maybe make these items bold as well. Okay, I'm happy with the text type itself, but what we're going to do is add a table here. So you can highlight all these cells here, okay, of all the values, all the headings in the table, and we're going to put borders around that area there, the selected area there. To do that, on the left of the paint bucket tool, you've got the borders tool. We want to add a border in and across every single cell. So click on the arrow on the right of it, go to all borders. What that will do, when I click off it, it will add a border around every individual cell. We want to add a thicker border now, so we're going to highlight everything again, go back to the borders tool, click on the arrow, choose thick border. Want a thicker border around their columns, just highlight the columns again, column cells, click on the thick border there, and then maybe the row where the items are, click the border there. Okay, so now what we've done very quickly, we've added borders to our table. This total revenue here, we want to add a quick border there, so we're going to add all borders, then a thick one there. Okay, so that looks a little bit better in terms of the professional look it's giving out. Now I want to get rid of these grids, these lines, these borders on these grey borders on this grid here. What you can do, on the top left hand corner here, just before the A, just above the 1, click on the corner rectangle, like this. It will select everything in that spreadsheet, and we're going to fill everything in white. So go to the paint bucket tool, we're going to choose the white color. What that will do, it will get rid of all the grey border around the cells, but we still have the border that we've created here on the table. So that's what we want. Next thing is I'm going to add a color around the cells where my headings are. So I'm going to go back to the paint bucket tool, choose a different color this time, maybe slightly darker color, and a lighter color here for the actual products. Okay. Total revenue, I'm going to change the title, make it bold, and then change the color there. So that's a very quick way of adding borders, colors to my spreadsheet. I hope that video has helped you. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share.